Hello everyone, this video is made by Naveen Pachangi of VSM Somshekar Kotiwal Institute of Technology, Nipani, as a part of the assignment of machine learning using Python course from Skyfi Labs. The machine learning using Python with online course tutorials from the Skyfi Labs was used to complete this project. And the experience of mine regarding the course are: first of all, I would like to thank Skyfi Labs who came forward to give the free access to their course and which will be helpful for students like us. And about course, I have really enjoyed the course a lot and have understood a lot of concepts from the course about Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda software, and Python language. Using those, I have understood how to handle the machine learning projects. So, without wasting much time, let me convey for the main point the project that is assigned to me to complete the online course as 100%. Uh, I'm going to show you one of the project that works using machine learning. So, before to start with my project, I have already installed the Anaconda Navigator software in my PC and I have already launched the Jupyter Notebook. You can see here. To start with my project, let me take a new Jupyter Notebook. So I will use Python 3 here and you can see that a new Jupyter Notebook is opening. Okay. So first of all, I would like to change the name of this project as advertising underscore data. So I have given my project name as advertising. So let me brief out first what is advertising data. So we can assume that one of the company is trying to advertise about its one of the product. So it's spending a lot of money in various communication mediums like TV, radio, newspapers. So to know the response by all these communication mediums, we are using machine learning techniques. So let me start with my project. First of all, I will import some of the libraries. I will import first pandas as PD. Then I will import matplotlib as PLT. Okay. And then to allow plots to appear directly in this notebook, I am using one of the command, that is percentage matplotlib inline. So these are the first basic steps to start my project. I have imported some of the library files and also a command that will show the plots in this notebook. Then let me take the next command line. So basically my project is based on linear regression. The concept of linear regression I have clearly understood in the online course of Skyfi Lib. So in the new command line, I will read some of the data from the data frame. So I am using the commands data is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. CSV is the file which holds the data and the data is present in advertising advertising.csv file, and this file is present in one of the folder. Then I will use another command called data.head. So to start with our project, it's necessary that we should have the data, and this advertising.csv file I have got from Google. So data, uh, so the command data is equal to pd.read underscore csv advertising csv will help us to read the data from the csv file, and data.head function is useful to read the first n rows of the csv file. So after executing this command, we can see that as an output, a new table will appear. About this table, let me explain some basic things. We know the concept of features and we know the concept of response. So you can see here, I will divide TV, radio, newspaper as my features and sales as my response. I have already explained you about the advertising project. So let me briefly explain once again. You can see here, these are some data that one of the company is spending thousands of dollars amount to advertise its data from TV communication medium. So, and as same, the company is spending this much of amounts of dollars to advertise its product in radio. Similarly, the same thing with respect to newspaper. So these are all our features, and the response is sale here. Then let me print the shape of the data frame in new command line, that is data dot shape. This particular command is here. The shape is a tuple that gives dimensions of the array. Shape is a tuple that gives you an indication of the number of dimensions in the array. So you can see that this table is nothing but an array. So to know the number of dimensions in this array, we are executing this command. After execution of this command, we can see here 200,4 are the dimension numbers of this array. And let me now the visualize the relationship between the features and the response using scatter plots. So to do that, I am using some of the commands that are shown here. So these commands are used to visualize the relationship between the features and the response using scatter plots. As I already told, our features are TV, radio, and newspapers, and the response is sale. So after executing this command, we can see here some of the plots will be drawn, and these plots we are able to see because we have already used that matplotlib inline command. Now about this command and this output, here we are using figure comma axis is equal to plot dot subplots 1 comma 3 comma sherry true. This particular command is used to plot the graph, and here we have three commands, with each will helpful to show the features relationship between the features and response using scatter plots. These are nothing but the scatter plots. Here you can see, and this particular table, this particular graph shows the TV advertisement response. This particular graph will show the radio advertisement response, and this particular graph shows the newspaper advertisement response. So you can see here This is the relationship between the features and response using scatter plots. I hope my project is helpful to convey you that the course you have given is understood to me, and also I have done this project by my own and also the help of your course and Google. This is a small project, but I would like to thank Skyfi Labs. I am able to do at least this much, and in future I will take the um, opportunity to improve myself by the Skyfi Lab course. Thank you, Skyfi Labs.